Hey, welcome to Printomize America. My name is Max, and I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of a TQA heat press. What you're going to need is some gloves for safety since you're working with wood like this. You don't want to get any splinters. And then we're going to start taking everything out one by one. So we've got precision laser. You want to handle very carefully. And then we're going to have the base of the stand all right here. So now we're going to want to get our support bolts to go in here. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to place them on the outside with the support. All right. So make sure you have 4 people when lifting this out. It's very heavy, it's about 400 pounds. Automatic mode. Pushing that button. And then you swing over, it'll come down automatically. Turn off automatic mode. We go over here. Boom. That's it.